So basically, where's the projects? Okay, here you can check all the submissions here on the web.yaps.gg. Yeah, we got over 200 projects, 250 projects, and we have the overall winners. For example, the top 3 winners, the CodeJam, the first winner, and the second winner, Anchor Mesh, but the project was made pre-hackathon, so we are just disqualified. And the third is Mission Match. We can also show why. Let's go down here, GitHub, and we can see here this is the last month disqualified. So the overall 3 winners, and then we have full ranking here. You can see the full ranking, and if you click, you will see all the comments. For example, CodeJam, the first place winner, and we have comments here. For example, love the UI UX, also love the gamification, would be willing to speak to a founder and explore more on future steps, and etc. Oops. Or this one, for example. Yep. And so on. And if we go down, we can see the categories. We can see the best use of the Tana, secure and elastic infrastructure for running AI generated code. The first place winner is again CodeJam, and then Ripper Radio, and the third place CodeShield. And we have 11 labs. The first place winner Mission Match, then Kuishi about AI, and the Bait Master, but the project was made prior to hackathon start date, so disqualified. And then Omnicorp, InfoStreet, and the Health Bridge. We have 5. And best use of MCPs made with Lean MCP. The first place goes to Japal, but it's disqualified, and the second Conclave, and the third Digital Twin. Best use of AI ML API. Medjama XAI for Alzheimer project, but this was also made prior to hackathon date, so not a winner. Or we have built with .cv, and we have Severify, and we have 2 more, Level Up and Lumina. Okay, Level Up and Lumina, but they both don't use the .cv domains as infrastructure here. So this is the issue. Built with featureless. For example, Memorla Clue, the first place, and the second place is Digital Twin, and third place is Butler, personal assistant. And there is a grand prize from NordVPN, Nord Security Team, but DataCrop was also made prior to hackathon, so there's no winner for this category for now. And best AI demo, this is also ADAS Alpha made prior to hackathon, and there's no winner for now, but the prizes will be distributed equally to winners. The best project in robotics or AI product, and Stardust the absolute winner for this category. And we have Sirai AI and the edX, but this was also made prior to hackathon. Mm, yep. Top overall 11 laps, and that's it. So basically, yeah. Do we have any winners like from here? Do we have any winners from here in the chat? I mean, in the live stream. Hello, Alan Mai. What was our project? What was? Yes, memory clue. Memory clue. The thing is, you are seeing here is the dashboard, the admin dashboard. So okay, debate master AI. I think it was made prior to Hackathon, debate master or memory clue. Memory clue. Okay, the memory clue is the winner. Best project build wins 11 laps here, and best build was Physiolist AI. Actually, yep, you will be receiving all the prizes and credits or certificates pretty soon. Yep, debate master. Debate master. So basically, it was made prior to Hackathon. That's why I couldn't consider. It says like 3 months ago. So basically, the certificates are ready, and we will be distributing them on 13th February. After 2 days, you will be receiving your certificates. Yep. What else? Do we have Codijam? Do we have Codijam? Down. Do you have Codijam? So basically, there is a certificate, and everything is ready. Let me show example. This one, memory clue, and the top 6 and first place, 11 laps and Visualize, the project memory clue, and yep. So basically, I will announce the winners on here, and you will be required to Let me know the LinkedIn, your LinkedIn, and your LinkedIn, either Twitter. Yep. Hey. Okay. Um, we have share garden, play memory clue. Do we have? Are you here? Like, can anyone? Can anyone like talk about their projects? We are. I'm here to listen, and I can even distribute prizes. Like, we have free, like, here, for example, free plays. We have free plays. Uh, Here, you can present your project ideas here, and then I can, like, maybe I can assign some new prizes. Maybe you can get some first place. It's open, for example. This is open also. This is also open. So if you want, yeah, you can talk about your project. Yeah. If you ready, like ready your project, you can talk about it. Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, you can talk. Yeah. Uh, you can talk. Yeah, but somehow the like the generation I showed with Anora, I couldn't record. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. This one, it was not recorded. How? I mean the explanation. So basically, you got some ideas. I mean, you got some items. You drop it here. You got some model. This model could be anyone, and you just take the reference from here and take some items, put it here, place the prompt, put a prompted, and we got one generation. We got second generation, use different items. We got third generation, use another items. We got first generation. We tried this one right now with Chanel bag and Gentle Monster. Yep. I said I don't know how. Interesting.